Greetings. To make anything visible in a GODOT is the beginning of creating video game. So something need to be visible. If you create 2D scene and start it, nothing will be visible. You will see some kind of window. This window is a representation of 2D game scene. So when you click here on this micro button, you will see your 2D scene. And in this visible part of 2D scene, you can add some game objects. Game objects in Godot are called nodes. We will add one. Click on this plus sign or combine Ctrl plus A, and you will see this create new node window. Write something like label in this search field and select this label. It is automatically selected. Control label and then click on create. What will you get? We will get game object for simple text, and this is this game object. If you click on this game object here and hold left mouse, you can change thing or move it. The best thing for movement is to use this micro button, move mode, double way. So when you click on this, just go here, you will see this uh, symbol change of the cursor, and then you can move it. Move it somewhere in the middle of the screen, and we will after that only change one property. So this label have properties here in the right side. Find label, find text property, click on the field and write greetings world or output. Then you can click here again on the run current scene. And now we have output. This is the beginning of the making Godot game. Thank you for watching. We will continue in the next lecture. Goodbye.